And so today I'm going to show you a few things that are in my very heavy handbag. Basically, I feel like wherever I am, like if I'm stranded on an island, I should be able to survive. So basically my handbag usually has absolutely everything in it. I'm going to show you a few things. Wallet, cash and credit card, mints, very, very important. Steal anyone's bag because like I said, I don't trust anyone would have all the things that I have in my bag. Charger, hairbrush, chashma, hairspray, and this, guys, is my life. People. If I could carry three people. My husband, my sister, and mother. I think they're three very entertaining people. It has tissue, eye mask, tampon, medicine, nail polish remover, Tide, wet wipe, lens cleaner, safety pins, more safety pins, bag that's extremely close to my heart. Ooh. Can't think of one right now. गले के लिए किच-किच. One second. The most important thing. House keys, and they have macaroons on it. Definitely my house keys. There's more. There's a pencil. There's a pen. Perfume. There's a rubber band. There's a clip. There's a bungee. Earpods. Okay, Deepika, stop showing off. I would say my house keys, wallet, and phone charger. Nobody. Because I don't trust anyone to have everything in their bag the way I do. And then